what's up everyone, I'm Jacky YBT. First of all, Happy Chinese New Year. Today's video, gonna unbox the thing that I wanted for so long and I finally get it. Well, I guess you know what it is by looking at the title, but never mind, let's get straight to it. So this is it guys, the Timex Easy Reader in Gold. This is the watch that I really wanted for a very long time, and Timex is a company with a rich heritage. You know, they've been making watches since the 19th century. Yeah, so it's a very old company with a rich heritage. They are really good at making affordable watches. You want to have a really good timepieces, Timex is a good choice for your first watch. And take a look at this. So this is the gold and the leather. Black and gold is perfect match. Give you that vintage look. I really like the look. Let's take a look at it. So this is Timex with a genuine leather strap, easy to set, quick date, and 30 meters of water resistant. So the packaging is really nice. Black and red create that contrast, and at the back you can see the copyright, you know, Timex Group USA. It's from USA. 100% recycled paper board. This is environment friendly packaging. Look at the size, so small. Help to save the environment. Okay, so before you get out the watch, you need to cut this plastic off. I'm gonna get my scissor. Okay, this is my scissor. So right now I'm just gonna cut it. I don't want to damage the box, so I have to do it very carefully. And I damaged the box a bit, which is a shame. Damn it. We do make a little accident here. Okay, so this is the thing. Present it very well. I like how they present their watch, like a plastic watch holder thing, like display your watch. Yeah, we also need to check what's inside the box. Okay, as you can see, there's a warranty paper, 1 year international warranty. This is the product code TW2P75700AP. So for the retail price is RM329. There's I think it's a manual. I'm gonna get it out first. Okay, finally. Okay. So there's a tape over there. Okay. This is a guide to show you how to know the model number and the water resistant, and also the battery and etc. So yeah, it's a user manual guide. Enough of that. Okay, I need to get this out, but I need to cut it off this thing first. It's plastic. Have to be careful. So I finally get rid of that little plastic holder things. This one, yeah, this one is pretty annoying, and then really get rid of that finally. Okay, right now I have to push this watch away from the holder, watch holder. I don't like the holder. It's pretty hard to get this thing out of the packaging. Yeah, I know it's fancy that you can present your watch in this way, but it's very hard to take it out now. Okay, I hear something cracking, which is not good. Have to be careful. Okay, slowly. Almost there, just almost there. So thank God I finally get this watch out from the watch holder. This thing is torturing me. It's very hard to get out. Right now, all I need to do is to untie this band.
2,000 years later.
So I finally took it from the watch stand just now. It's very hard. Looks good, but it's very hard to unbox. So overall, the unboxing experience is not that good. It's very hard, you know, trying to tear the things out, try to be careful, you know, without damage any parts of the watch. Yeah, so As you can see, the color is very bright gold. So as you can see at the back, it is a stainless steel bag, 13 meters water resistant, Timex.com, the website, and the sticker is the model number and Timex the brand, and some number for the cell battery. There's a plastic thing to prevent the watch running. You don't want to get a battery that is already used. Yeah, so this is how they prevent the watch running. Okay, so I'm pretty pissed a bit, angry myself, and the packaging also. Why? Because it damaged the leather strap. Look at that. Yeah, I don't like this type of packaging. It's very hard to get out, and when I get out, slowly, as you can see, I move it very slowly and still manage to damage it. Yeah, Timex, please work with your packaging also. Make it simple, you know. Don't make it this kind of fancy little thing. I know it's fancy, but it's not user friendly to unbox it. I'm gonna adjust the time and the date. So you just do this. Keep on doing this. And once you're done, you just push the crown in towards inside. So I adjust the time correctly according to my time zone. It's looking good right now. Thickness 8 mm. So lug to lug is 20 mm. Genuine leather, mineral crystal, 30 meters water resistant. The size of the watch is 38 without the crown. With crown is 40 mm. When you look at it, you would think like 40. It will wear bigger because of the thin bezel. This works for me. As you can see, I have a pretty large wrist. Yeah, so that's the spec of this watch. So I will do an in-depth review about this watch after 3 weeks of usage to tell you about the pros and cons about this watch. Yeah, before I close this video, just to show you this indigo feature. It's so bright. I really like this feature. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I don't want to make this video any longer anymore. It's just an unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and click the bell icon also. Comment down in the comment section below. Share to your friends and family. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.